gosh! It's me again, Lynette, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayan, so today, gagawa po tayo ng Dalgona Milk. So, hindi po Dalgona Coffee yung gagawin natin. This is a no-coffee Dalgona, and we will be using milk. And also, gagamit tayo ng organic sugar or sweetener. So, this is a healthy Dalgona. So, sa mga non-coffee lovers dyan, at saka sa mga ayaw mag-coffee today pero gusto nilang mag-dalgona, at saka sa mga nag-healthy living dyan, and sa mga milk lovers, this is the perfect dalgona for you. So, before we start, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for updates of my future videos. So guys, sisimula na tayong gumawa ng dalgona milk. And sasamahan po tayo ng aking boyfriend. So meron din siyang YouTube channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog.
And so follow him po, Carl Patrick TV. And I have a link.
Yes sir. Welcome back to my guys. So ngayong araw ay dahil third week ng quarantine ngayon, ay naisipan natin gumawa ng Dalgona Milo.
And so guys, ito po yung ingredients na gagamitin natin. Gagamit po tayo ng eggs for the whipped cream, and we'll be using the egg whites, milks natin, which is Milo and Bear Brand, and we have our organic sweetener or what we call the green stevia. And of course, you'll be needing our glasses and our mixing instrument.
So ayan guys, isa pang Milo.
Milo every day. And so guys, gamit tayo ng green stevia dahil isa siyang organic na sweetener.
Yes.
And it's good for diabetic patients or sa mga gustong mag-healthy living dyan. Lagyan natin ng 2 tablespoons or 4 tablespoons of hot water. 4 kasi dalawa kami.
Yan. Hati kasi kami. Para maluto yung Milo. At tapos i-mix natin. Ayan.
So, we used hot water para mas maganda yung kalabasan ng consistency niya. Okay, so we added the egg whites. Now we're going to mix it as if we're going to make a whipped cream. And so uubusin natin lahat ng stickiness ng egg white hanggat maging foamy na ang ating egg white.
Ang susunod na programa.
Ang ginagawa mo, baby?
Ito mag-mix ba?
Ah! Mix lang ba? Ayan, so medyo pointy and foamy na siya. And we're ready to mix the Milo, yung kanina,
Yes.
dito sa egg white. So, let's go!
Yeah.
Parang chocolate na po siya. Wow! Now, time to add the milk. So, kung gusto nyo yung coffee, pwede coffee yung ilagay nyo. Pero kung gusto nyo yung milk, then you can use milk as well. So, we're using Bear Brand. Ayan, so yung nilagay namin ay Bear Brand at ito yung Milo natin. So, hindi po ito sponsored ha, pero baka naman ay Bear Brand ay Milo. Kung gusto nyo mag-sponsor sa amin, you're just one call away. Car. Baka naman.
Bak naman.
To add the Milo. So, dahan-dahan lang po tayo.
Sprinkle ka na dyan.
So satisfying.
Sarap siguro yan.
And now, let's try it. Let's try it, guys!
Ang damit gida.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. Till our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Carl Patrick TV. And then, just hit the subscribe button. And please like the video as well. And comment for more of our future videos. Bye!